One of the requirements for History Day, in fact, one of the things to survive History Day, is to make sure that you're organizing your sources in a way that makes sense. It's easily accessible by you throughout the process. So what we're going to introduce you to is something called Noodle Tools, and it's a citation machine that we pay for that's going to allow you easy access to not only gather your resources, but then to sort them alphabetically and by primary and secondary. All right? So you can find this, of course, on the DC Everest Junior High website by going under Student Resources and selecting the Information Media Center link, the center of your screen. Once you're there, you're going to want to head into your Research Tools, highlighted by the green Research Tools and Databases for Learning box. Click that on your screen will send you into the Resource Tools. You can find Noodle Tools on the right side of your screen. Simply select the link. Once you're at the login screen, it's going to ask you on the right-hand side to sign in with a Google account. Now you have to be sure to select the box and type in your school email account, like you see here, and then click on the Google account access button. Once you do, it will log you into your Noodle Tools dashboard. Inside, it's pretty simple, but we're going to start with the New Project button in the left. It's the green New Project button. This is important to click on this one. Select your title, and then your preferred citation style. I believe we're going with MLA to keep it consistent with your English classes. You're also going to want to pick a citation level. Now, even if you are just a starter, we want you to select Junior. What that's going to do is simplify the set of citations that are available to you while still allowing you to mark sources as either primary or secondary. This is going to be really important when you sort your final source list so that you have them alphabetized and sorted by primary and secondary. Submit your project and you're ready to start entering your notes. Now you can see there's a lot of stuff that we can enter in here. I would suggest that you enter in a detailed research question, the thing that you are looking for, as well as your thesis or your hypothesis. This claim is going to be important to keeping you on track to answering your research question. What you're seeing right now is the main dashboard, but where we're really going to live is in the sources. So up at the top of your screen, in the white ribbon, you'll notice that you have a couple of different options. One is the projects, the dashboard which we're on, sources which you're going to use a lot, note cards which you can choose to create digitally here so that it's all stored in one place, and paper. Yes, you can even type in this platform. Let's click on sources and see what we have available to us. Once we're in the sources, you'll notice that just like our previous screen, we're going to see a green plus button that says create a new citation. Simply click on that citation, go through the prompts that you see. You can select database from the top, type in the publisher or vendor, and fill out the necessary information. You also have the option of a copy and paste citation or quick cite. This is going to be really important, especially if you're using the databases that we have available to you through the junior high website, because they have the citations built right into it. So make sure that you take advantage of the quick cite option when you see it available at the top. When you're all done, simply save, add an annotation, and add a tag as a primary or secondary source. Once done, it saves, and head in to create another citation. Keeping your citations and your sources orderly at the beginning will not only save you a lot of stressors, it'll make this process enjoyable. Well, it'll at least make this process a lot easier. As always, ask if you have questions. Otherwise, enjoy the searching.